Hi everyone, you need to try this. This is Maria's recipe. You know what I put here? Salmon caviar, pink caviar, egg, and hummus. Oh my god, so good, guys. Mm. 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 You know, before when I used to fly VIP, I always bring this with me in our apartment because we always have lots of leftover in the aircraft. So I keep on bringing this with me, pink and black caviar. Yeah, to think this one is so pricey, especially the black. Oh my god! You know how much is the most expensive caviar? Just for 500 grams, $1,999. Can you believe that? But it's worth it, guys. So good. Anyhow, yeah, just sharing my story. Try it, okay? Mm -mm. Mm. Mm. So good. So good. But